A Jamestown man is facing charges after authorities say he threatened Homeland Security agents and their families in a series of posts on social media. Our Trina Catterson sat down with attorneys to explain how social media posts can turn criminal. Trina.
Dave, both of the lawyers I spoke with say this case is going to come down to whether these threats are protected by the First Amendment. The protection of First Amendment speech only extends to postings that do not reach the level of a true threat of physical injury or killing a person. According to the complaint, 43-year-old Matthew White is accused of operating an X account in Buffalo where he posted public threats towards federal immigration agents. Both lawyers said all of these postings are troublesome, but one they believe will not receive any First Amendment protection is the alleged tweet that reads, quote, "I can't wait to put a bullet in this guy's brain, but first, his children." Rosanna Berardi, an immigration lawyer, says these charges are just one example of the government drawing a line and not tolerating this behavior.
Even though they might be on Facebook or on X or what have you, threatening a federal officer online is a crime. It doesn't take a lot to prove that, especially when somebody is alleging to go after not only the officer, but their family. This is very serious stuff. And you can't make First Amendment free speech arguments when you're posing threats like that to law enforcement.
Berardi emphasized that anything you post on social media does not go away. She encourages people to speak with family members or friends rather than to turn to posting online. Now, White made his first court appearance yesterday and was ultimately released on conditions. The charges he's facing carries a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison. Reporting in the newsroom, Trina Catterson, News 4.